Hey Samsung fans! Galaxy Unpacked 2025 is dropping on July 9th with game-changing foldables, watches, and more. Is this Samsung's biggest event yet? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into what's coming at Unpacked. Mark your calendars for July 9, 2025 because Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked in Brooklyn, New York is set to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and Galaxy Watch 8 series, as well as the rumored Galaxy Buds Core. Plus, we might get a peek at a tri-fold smartphone and Project Muhan XR headset. Ready for the details? Keep watching! Samsung's next-gen foldables are stealing the spotlight. The Galaxy Z Fold is rumored to be the thinnest, lightest, and most advanced foldable yet, while the Galaxy Z Flip 7 rocks the new Exynos 2500 chip for blazing performance. There's even buzz about a tri-fold smartphone, Samsung's first ever. Could this redefine foldables? What's your take? The Galaxy Watch 8 series is expected to shine with 3 models: Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and Watch Ultra, bringing sleek designs and next-level features. And don't sleep on the Galaxy Buds Core, rumored to debut as Samsung's latest audio gem. These could be must-haves for Galaxy fans. Samsung's cooking up something big with Project Muhan, an extended reality headset built with Google. We might get juicy updates at Unpacked, hinting at Samsung's VR/AR future. With foldables, watches, earbuds, and maybe a tri-fold phone, this event is packed with innovation. Is Samsung about to dominate 2025? Catch all the action live on July 9th via Samsung's official website or YouTube channel. Whether you're hyped for the Z Fold 7's sleek design or curious about Project Muhan, this is one event you can't miss. Which device are you most excited for? Drop it below. And that's the scoop on Samsung Galaxy Unpacked 2025. Are you stoked for the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Or is the tri-fold phone stealing your attention? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.